Imagine you are towing your boat up a steep grade, and suddenly your engine starts knocking loudly, jerking aggressively, and feels like it is about to explode from too much pressure. If you scanned your truck and found code P0048, you are facing a turbocharger or supercharger boost control A circuit high condition. This is a dangerous code because unlike a low circuit code, which just kills power, a high circuit code can sometimes mean the system is failing in a way that causes maximum boost, which can destroy your engine internals in seconds. We are going to break down exactly why this happens on vehicles like the Dodge Ram Cummins or Ford EcoBoost and how to save your engine. The technical definition involves the boost control solenoid we talked about earlier. This solenoid regulates the oil pressure or vacuum that moves the vanes inside your variable geometry turbo. When the computer sees a circuit high, it means the feedback signal from this solenoid is stuck at a high voltage, usually close to 5 volts or 12 volts, depending on the system, indicating a short circuit to power or a failed solenoid coil. Think of it like a light switch that is welded in the on position. The symptoms are scary. You might experience severe overboost, where the turbo forces way more air into the cylinders than the engine can handle. This causes detonation, a metallic pinging sound that can crack pistons. You will also get a check engine light and likely a very jerky, sensitive throttle pedal. The causes are almost always electrical. A wire in the harness might have rubbed through its insulation and is touching a 12-volt power wire, feeding voltage where it does not belong. The solenoid itself could have an internal short. Rarely, the PCM itself has a fried driver circuit. To diagnose this properly, do not just throw parts at it. First, clear the codes and see if it comes back immediately. If it does, unplug the boost control solenoid. If the code changes to a circuit low or open, then the wiring is likely fine and the solenoid itself is shorted internally. You can verify this by measuring the resistance of the solenoid pins with an ohmmeter and comparing it to the factory spec found in your service manual. If the code stays circuit high, even with the sensor unplugged, you have a short to power in the wiring harness between the plug and the computer. You need to hand over hand trace that wire to find the damage. Repairing the wiring or replacing the shorted solenoid immediately is crucial to prevent catastrophic engine failure.